Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AQST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $5. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Initial level to keep an eye on, going to be right here at $5.50, and if the price can push up through $5.50, next key level, nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than where the party officially stopped today, and that was right up there at $5.75. So I get it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking new highs, which is what $5.75 represents, but in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's an initial hurdle that first needs to be cleared, and in this situation, it is that $5.50 mark. So yes, $5.75, that is a level of resistance. That is the fun one to talk about breaking. But before we turn any focus to that, price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above 550. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not.